Okay, the topic that I'm going to discuss is all about operator precedence in Python. So operator precedence, as you can see here, is a set of rules that we need to follow, okay, in order for us to evaluate the mathematical operations correctly, okay. So the first precedence operator is exponent, okay, that is double asterisk. So let's execute this in Python. So for example, let's assign the value of a is equals to 5. Then let's apply the exponentiation, okay, a, and then asterisk, double asterisk, and then 2. So the value of a here is 25. Now if we're going to apply getting the remainder, we are going to use the percentage or the modulo. Okay, for example, we are going to assign the value of b is equals to 25, and then c is equals to 5, and let's apply the modulo. Okay, so b modulo using the percentage, and then c, so the output will become 0 because there's no remainder here. So this is how it works in operator precedence in Python. There's no big deal in Python if you're not going to assign a certain variable here, unlike in C++. You need to, of course, you need to assign a variable like d is equals to v, and then percentage c in order for you to get the modulo. Okay, and then you need to print d to identify the value of b modulo c, which is the 0. So this is the approach in Python. This is also accepted in Python.